The Supreme Court now functions in a hybrid mode with both online and offline courts, which enable lawyers and parties in person to appear from different parts of the country. Though the Supreme Court is located on Tilak Marg, the Supreme Court is a Supreme Court for the entire nation. As the Chief Justice, I'm attempting to adopt technology-based services in the listing of cases and court hearings so that institutional flaws such as delays in listing and hearing can be removed from our vocabularies. The E-Committee of the Supreme Court of India uses technology to make the justice delivery system more accessible and citizen-centric. The National Judicial Data Grid is a repository of 77 lakh judgments of the High Courts that are available to every citizen free of cost. Additionally, various citizen-centric services are employed to reach out to the people at the grassroots level. While technology has ably aided us in ensuring functionality of the judiciary during the pandemic, technology must be augmented with institutional reforms to resolve the chief issues of access to justice. The first interface of the people with the judicial system is the district judiciary. It is thus of paramount importance that the district judiciary is strengthened and supported. The district judiciary must be lifted from the mindset of being a subordinated judiciary. Today, the Honorable Prime Minister of India is present here to launch the e-initiatives, namely the virtual justice clocks, the Justice IS mobile application 2.0, digital courts, and S3 VAS websites of district courts. The virtual justice clock is a platform where information available through the National Judicial Data Grid is made available to the public. Virtual justice clocks for the District Judiciary of India are a real-time informative public dashboard which provide information in 3 levels, covering all the states, districts, and court establishments in India. The dashboard provides real-time status which is refreshed and updated every 15 minutes. The Justice Mobile App 2.0 is developed for the judges of the district courts in the country. The app is provided to judicial officers to monitor pendency and disposal of his or her court at the handset 24/7. Digital Courts is a green initiative of the Indian judiciary in the form of a desktop app that has been developed to make courts paperless or digital. It provides an easy-to-view case files documents while sitting at home. Judges can view all the case-related pleadings, charge sheets, court orders of both civil and criminal cases which aim at making the court paperless. And finally, the initiative's S3 VAS website. The acronym S3 VAS stands for Secure, Scalable, and Sugamya Website as a Service. Through the Digital Court and S3 VAS initiative, the websites of district courts are being upgraded from the existing system to a platform which is secure, scalable, and accessible. Content published on the website is accessible so that even persons with disabilities, including visual disabilities, would be able to access the information using assistive technologies. These initiatives reflect upon the commitment of the Indian judiciary towards providing access to justice to our own citizens. Our endeavor is to enhance access to justice. This must not be understood in narrow terms of enriching the experience of those who are already in possession of access, but by reaching out to those groups and communities that are denied basic rights. Access to justice must be defined in the expression of upholding the faith and perception that the general public holds in the legal system. I can assure everyone that the initiatives launched today are a part of a larger technological and institutional advancement of the Indian judiciary to ensure that even the most disadvantaged communities in the country do not stumble while reaching out to justice. Before I conclude, I would like to emphasize on the relevance and constitutional values, not just to the judicial branch, but to all institutions and sections of the society. The evolution of a society can only ensue on the foundations of liberty, equality, and fraternity, the trinity of values highlighted by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar in his last address to the Constituent Assembly. Therefore, I appeal to the young minds to reflect on the social realities of India and work towards achieving fraternity by dedicating themselves to the cause of justice in whatever way possible. Sometimes change happens by small acts of kindness. The heart and the soul of law, as it is administered in our courts, is our sense of compassion to our citizens. With that, I thank you. Jai Hind.